It's almost dinner time and you're not sure what to make? Well, I have another solution for you. Bacon wrapped pork tenderloin. Join me in the kitchen to see how it's done. Okay, here we are in the kitchen, ready to get started on the bacon wrapped pork tenderloin. I've got the air fryer heating on roast 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Before I put the tenderloin in the pan, I cut and wet some pieces of cooking twine so that I can tie this up once I get the bacon on there so that it stays on there during the cooking process. First things first, I have a 2.5 pound pork tenderloin. I have 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard with 2 tablespoons of raw local honey and a teaspoon of dried rosemary. I'm just going to pour the dried rosemary in there. I did crush the rosemary in my palm to release the oils and all the flavor. Just stir this together, and then I'm going to lift this top tenderloin up, and I will pour a little, whoa, okay. Lift the top tenderloin, and I'm going to pour some of the honey mustard in the middle so that it will flavor all the way through. Okay, and now I'm just going to pour the rest on it. Let it run down the sides and into the bottom of the pan. Let's add some bacon. If your bacon's not quite long enough to go all the way down the length of your pork loin, you can always add an extra strip at the ends going around. Now I'm just laying a thick cut piece of bacon around the sides. I started at the top and then I'm just kind of overlapping and going down one side. Now I'm going to do the same thing, go down the other side. And that's one of the great things about the mustard. It helps the bacon to stick on there until you tie it on. Because I know it's going to shrink as it cooks, I'm going to just around the end tuck it under a little bit, and around the end over here tuck it under, and now I'm just going to tie it. It's all tied up. This is preheated, so in it goes. 400 degrees, 40 minutes, and then I'll test it. Okay, about 25 minutes into cooking, the bacon was starting to brown. I put a piece of foil over the top to keep it from burning the bacon. Well, the bacon's done. I have my thermometer. I'm going to put it into the thickest part, and I want it to be about 160 degrees. Okay, it's stopping around 135, so it is not quite finished cooking. Back in it goes. I'm going to put it back on roast. 20 minutes this time. Put this back over the top, and back in it goes. Another 20 minutes. Time to check again. Oh, nice and steamy. Even being covered, the bacon is getting very, very brown. So I hope this is it. Okay, juices are running clear. Stopping at 150, so back in again. And if you're wondering, yes, I'm washing this every single time. That's a little pro tip for you. All right, time to come out again. Hopefully this time it's finished. Let's find a spot. And it's finally to 160 degrees, so it's finished cooking. Cover it loosely with some foil and let it rest. Remember, today's recipe is in the description box below this video. Please check it out. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thank you. God bless.